Welcome to Unit 2, Project Integration Management. As I mentioned in the course overview, the Project Management Institute has developed a generic project management methodology that is a collection of good practices in managing projects. This methodology is a combination of project management processes, tools, and techniques, and the knowledge required to apply these processes to any project. In this unit, we will examine how these project management processes and the project management knowledge areas work together or interact to form the project management methodology described in the PMBOK. In your assigned readings in Unit 1 and Unit 2, you'll become more familiar with the characteristics of projects and how you will apply certain processes, tools, and techniques at different stages of this type of work. A project or a single phase of the project will follow a generic cycle of initiation, planning, execution, and closure. The activities to manage the phase or project to produce the deliverables of the project are monitored and controlled to ensure that activities are completed according to the project plans and organizational policies and procedures. These processes and activities used to manage the phase or project are grouped together into the project management process groups. The process groups are not industry or organization specific. This is a generic methodology that applies to most any project across any industry or organization. And not every process in the project management process groups will apply to every project. That is determined by the project manager and project management team, depending on the complexity of the project. The 10 project knowledge areas you will see here interact with the project management process groups by providing a more detailed definition and description of the process inputs and outputs and the tools and techniques used in each process group. You will see that the PMBOK is organized by the different knowledge areas, starting with the project integration management through scope, time, cost, and quality management, and finally stakeholder management. Let's take a closer look at the project integration knowledge area. Project integration management includes the processes and activities to identify, define, combine, unify, and coordinate the various processes and project management activities within the project management process groups. The project integration management process includes the processes to develop the charter, the project charter, develop the project management plan, direct and manage project work, perform integrated change control, and to close the project or phase. These processes interact in a way to ensure the project is a unified system from initiation through execution to project closure. Through this integration and unification, the project manager is able to manage the project in accordance with the project plan, control the changes that occur in a project, and manage stakeholder expectations and communicate with project stakeholders to ensure project objectives in terms of scope, quality, duration, and cost are met. In the Unit 2 checklist, you will see that we move further into the PMBOK. Here is where you will get an in-depth discussion of the project management processes, project knowledge areas, and project integration management. Take a closer look at Table 3-1 in Chapter 3. This will give you a high-level view of project knowledge areas and project management process group interaction. We also have a discussion of project integration management. I encourage you to share your thoughts on this topic with others. Once you are comfortable with the topics in this unit, complete the Unit 2 self-assessment. You will need to pass this quiz before attempting the Unit 3 self-assessment.